Alright guys, let me explain. The reason why your website keeps saying not secure that it's lacking the SSL certificate, as if you don't have a SSL certificate on your website, or the certificate has been expired, then you may see your website saying it's not secure. And another problem might be the fact that you are lacking an HTTPS protocol on your website. So if your website is not an HTTPS protocols, and you may find it difficult, you may see that your website is saying not secure. So what you can do is to, if you're using a good hosting, you may get in touch with them so that they can help you to solve this problem. Sometimes you may want to download the SSL certificate plugin to your website. This will help you to protect your website from any attack. It's a security plugin that can help your website and protect your website. So it will protect your website from being hacked and any other issue on it will protect your website from being hacked and from being hacked. So you want to get in touch with your hosting and see if they can help you with your website. So if you are not using the HTTPS protocol, so you want to redirect your domain to the HTTPS protocol and go from there. So the reason why your website keeps saying not secure is on this button right here is that SSL certificate is missing or expired, and the fact that your website is not using the HTTPS protocol. If it is using the HTTP, that's not what Google and the rest search engine are using right now. They're using the HTTPS protocol. So you need to redirect your website to HTTPS protocol. You can talk to your server, to your website hosting, and see if they can help you with the issue. So just to give you the answer to this question right here. So guys, if you have any question or anything to do with this issue, let me know down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks you for watching. Peace.